For today's balloon animal tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an exotic bird, a golden ibis. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands. And for this balloon animal tutorial, you're going to need at most 3 balloons. So let's get started. First, take a 160 in black and we want to inflate this all the way. Okay, so right to the tip. Okay, and before tying off, just let a little bit of air out at this end, but we don't want to deflate this end at all. So we just want to ease off here a little bit and then tie a soft knot. Okay, and then at this point, twist off a bubble that is about 6 or 7 inches or so. And whilst you're here, remember to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up on the video as well. And you're very welcome to join me in Balloon Artworks Academy, which is my closed Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description below. And then make 2 two-finger bubbles. Okay, bring those together. Okay, and then wrap that long bubble between those 2 smaller bubbles and pinch twist them. Okay, so that's what you've got. Then you want to make a bubble of about 3 fingers or so. Okay, and then make another bubble to match. Okay, and then twist that bubble into those 2 pinch twists. Okay, so this is what you've got. And you can break off at about this point, but make sure you save the rest of your balloon. So tie this off, tie a knot here, okay, and then just wrap that tail in. So this is what you've got. Next, take a chrome gold with a good long tail of 5 or 6 fingers and give it a stretch. And you want to twist off a bubble of 2 to 3 fingers and then pinch twist that. Okay. And then make another bubble of about 4 fingers or so. And then take your eyes and beak, and we want to wrap this section here into this junction of pinch twists here. So you just wrap that in. And then give your balloon a stretch. And then we want to make a bubble that is longer than this first one. Okay, so perhaps an inch or so longer. And then just wrap that into that pinch twist there. Twist off a bubble that is about 7 inches or so and make 2 two-finger pinch twists. Okay. Give your balloon a stretch and make a bubble that is about 5 or 6 fingers and make a 2-finger pinch twist. Make another bubble to match this one and wrap that into those 2 pinch twists at the front. Next, we want to make a bubble that is about 1.5 inches longer than these first 2 here. Okay, so twist off your bubble and then wrap it into this pinch twist here. Now at this point, if you wanted to, you could twist off a bubble here and make a long tail and just wrap that into that pinch twist there, and take your black 160 and just pass it through that loop there. Okay, just pull it through. And then you want to make a small bubble, then make a small bubble and make a flower petal loop of a couple of fingers or so. Okay, and do the same on the other side. So a small bubble and then a flower petal loop of a couple of fingers or so. Okay, And then just bring these two loops together and twist the feet together. And you can pinch twist these two small bubbles here, just to tidy up the feet a little bit. And if you're in a busy line work situation, this model goes down really well just as it is. Next, take another chrome gold with a good long tail of 5 or 6 fingers and take the nozzle and wrap it into the pinch twist at the front of your bird's body. Make a bubble of about 5 inches or so and wrap it into the pinch twist at the base, at the back here, okay? And bring that chrome 260 round and make another bubble here to match that one you've just made. And wrap that into those 2 pinch twists at the bottom of the neck. So that's what you've got at the moment. Then with the rest of this 260, you just want to curve that round over the top of this lower wing, but underneath the bottom of the tail. Just want to loop it round, give it a squeeze, okay, position it like that, and then just twist off a bubble and wrap into the 2 pinch twists at the neck. And at this point you can break off your chrome gold. So there's your golden ibis. It's a great design for line work. If you want to check out some of my other line work designs, click here. And I'll see you again in the next video.